Welcome back to this video. If you have been trouble on your phone caller ID, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to restore back to default setting in your caller ID. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone dialer. I'm going to click on here, open up my dialer. Then after you open up your phone dialer, next thing you need to do is to click on this setting icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then make sure you go to carrier features. The next thing you need to do is to select the particular SIM. The next thing you need to do is to go to additional settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to caller ID. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on switch to network default. It's as simple as that. And with this, your caller ID is going to be set into network default. And each time you are making calls, your number is going to appear to any end call receiver. That's simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.